Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM and Gemini now work together much more closely than before. You can use NotebookLM to collect and analyze sources, then use Gemini to brainstorm, write, plan and create content based on those sources. In many cases, notebooks can even sync between the two platforms. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use NotebookLM with Gemini in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, creating notebook in NotebookLM. Okay, so start by creating a notebook for your project. For example, school research, business reports, YouTube videos, podcast planning, book analysis, exam preparation. So NotebookLM becomes your research hub. Okay, so one notebook per project works best. Add your sources. Okay, so examples include PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, research papers, notebook, Google Docs. So NotebookLM and analyzes these sources and grounds its answers in them. So better sources create better outputs. Use NotebookLM to understand the material. Like before moving into Gemini, use NotebookLM to summarize documents, identify key ideas, find important facts, generate timelines. So this helps build a strong understanding of the topic first. Okay, so research should come before creation. Then open Gemini. Okay, so once your notebook is ready, open Gemini. Recent updates allow notebooks and sources to work across Gemini and NotebookLM through Google's notebook integration. So Gemini becomes your creation workspace. Attach your notebook in Gemini starts a new conversation and attach your notebook when available. Typical workflow, click the plus button. Okay, choose NotebookLM and select the notebook you want to use. Gemini can then reference the notebook as a source during the conversation. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.